Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to deliver another lecture on the set theory. Today I am telling you about what do you mean by complement of set, what do you mean by union of set, what do you mean by intersection of set, as well as some important formula. First of all, let's see what is complement of set. I am writing here. Complement of set. Let me define it. If there is any set A that is complement, how it is represented? If A is any set, then its complement is simply you can represent it by A dash. It may be sometime A bar, sometime it is also A bar. It is represented by this way. Now you have to remember what is A complement. It can be written as universal set minus set A. This is the formula you should remember regarding the complement. Now another thing which I am going to discuss, that is union of set. Union of set. It is denoted by U. Let's see through the example. I am just visualizing this thing. Union means both consist. Both consist. Just like, for example, there is set A having element 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Another element is B having, another set is B having elements 3, 4, 7, 8. 3, 4, 7, and 8. This is the situation. Union, one thing you should remember, for the union I am using OR in future. This is the very important thing. Wherever you have OR, it means it is the concept of union. Let's see what is A union B here. A union B. A union B. That will be, let's see here, 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 7 is there, 8 is there. It means it consists both. But one thing you have to remember, I already discussed, at a time only one element is carried forward. Another thing which I am going to discuss, that is intersection. Intersection of set. It is denoted by this symbol. From the previous example, let me calculate A intersection B. A intersection B. Intersection means simply for future you should use AND as a shortcut. And intersection means common. In both the sense, if elements are common, that is called intersection. What is common in both elements? Let's see. 3 is common and 4 is common. That's why 3 and 4 are intersection of A and B. By this way you should remember it. There are some rules you should remember also in future. What are these rules? Let's see. Rule number 1. First rule I am going to discuss. Important rules. Rule number 1, that is, if you have cardinal numbers just like n, A union B, its formula become Na plus cardinal number of B and B minus n A intersection B. This is the first rule you have to remember. Now rule number 2, n A intersection A intersection complement of B, that will be equivalent to n A minus B. Remember this. Now rule number 3, very useful to solve the problems. And this could be also further simplified. Na minus n A intersection B. By this way also you should remember. Next is A complement intersection of B. This rule is written as n B minus A, but further it can be NB minus n A intersection B. These are some rules which are very useful for future. You should remember these rules. Today I am just using one concept for the example. We have to solve the question. In the question, in a group of 800 people, in a group of 800 peoples, 550 can speak Hindi. 450 can English. How many can speak? Question is, how many can speak both Hindi and English? Both Hindi and English. Let's see what is the thing here. Total number of people, those who can speak, they are 800. Out of 800, 450 can speak Hindi and 550 can speak English. But if you take the total 450 plus 550, it will be 1000. It means we have only 800 people. We are getting here 1000. Why? This thing you should remember. It means some can speak both. It means there are 1000 and total is 800. It means some can speak both. What do you have to calculate? What is given? All these things you have to find here. Let's see. What is 800? That is an English Union Hindi, because total is 800. You need to find out. Let me tell you here. An English, number of people who can speak English, that is 550. Number of people who can speak Hindi, that is 450. These things are given here. Now you need to find out those who can speak both. You need to find out an A union B. And A union B. What was the formula? And last time I have told you, that is NA plus NB minus A and A intersection B. What do you need to calculate? You need to calculate A intersection B. Let me solve over here. First of all, what is A union B? That means N English Union Hindi. I can formulate this formula N E plus N H minus N, that is E intersection H. Let me put the value. When you put the value, what is English Union Hindi, that is 800, is equal to NE, that is 550, plus NH, that is 450. Let this is X. You need to find out. Then X can be written as 1000 minus 800 by rearranging it. Finally, X is 200. There are 200 people, those who can speak both Hindi and English. Thank you.